Chances are, if you're looking for this video, it's because you're going to Kenya and you've been told you need to pay some park fees. So what I've done is I've made this video to show you how easy it is to create your eCitizen profile so that you can make your park payments. So first, you do need to go to the official website, which I've linked in the description below. Once you're there, we're going to go ahead and click on the green sign up button. You'll then be taken to this page where you need to select your account type. There's citizen, resident, diplomat, and foreigner. Chances are you're probably a foreigner visiting Kenya. So for the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to select foreigner. So it's going to ask you to register. It's going to ask some basic questions, your nationality, your passport number. So just answer these questions truthfully, and once you've done that, go ahead and click submit. On this page, you just need to put in your phone number and your email address. Make sure you put in the correct phone number and that your email address is spelled correctly. Once you've done that, go ahead and click next. Check your email because you're going to be getting that OTP sent to your inbox. And once you have that, go ahead and put it in there and select next. If you haven't received it within a minute, check your spam folder. Again, if you've really not received it, double check that you spelled your email address correctly, and you can have them resend that OTP. And if you found that your email address was not spelled correctly, click the back button and correct it. Once you're ready to go, click next. Here on this page, you just need to create a password, have a read through the requirements for your password, and once you've done that and you confirm that both of them match and you're good to go, click next. This is what it takes you to. It takes you to the login page, so go ahead and log in and do what you need to do. It's that easy.